Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add video subtitles in FlexClip. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account. Click on Create a Video in the top left corner. Choose your video resolution. I'll go with 9:16, which is a vertical video. It'll then open the video editor and you'll see this pop up. Click on this upload button to upload your video. Navigate to your folder. Choose the video and then click Open. As you can see, the video has been uploaded to the media section. Next, you need to drag and drop the video onto the scene like so. And here's the video in the timeline below. Next, click on Subtitles in the left side panel. There are three options here. You can upload a subtitle file. You can add manual subtitles, or use the AI auto subtitle feature, which is what I'm going to use. You'll see these options here. You can use this drop down and choose a different language. I'll stick with the English US. Next, under Choose Content, you can choose Scene plus Audio, only Scene with no audio, or only audio. I'll stick with the default Scene plus Audio. Next, we need to choose the subtitle style. As you can see, there are many different styles that you can choose from. Let me go back, and then I'll choose this one. And then I'll click on Generate. It will then start generating the subtitles, and the time it takes will depend on the length of the video. And this one was done in about 10 seconds. And as you can see, it generated these subtitles with the timestamps. You can then edit these if you need to. So let me do a quick preview so you can see what these subtitles looks like, as you can see right there. So I'm happy with the results, but I want to move the subtitles a little higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag them like so, a little higher. You can also click this font drop down and you'll see this left side panel with many different fonts to use. And you can also upload your own font if you want to. You can also change the font size and color using this toolbar at the top. You can click the Style button if you still want to change the style. You'll see this left side panel where you can change the style, as well as the color of the text, background, and highlight. I'm just going to leave them all as default. You can click this box to give your project a file name. And then finally click the Export button once you're ready to export the file as an MP4 video. You'll see these options. You can choose a video resolution, the frame rate, and the quality of the video. I'll leave them as default. And then click on Export. It will then start the export process. Again, the time that it takes to render the MP4 video will depend on the duration of the video. And then once the export has been completed, you'll see a notification of the download, and I'm using Firefox as my browser here. And now let me play the video so you can see how it came out with the audio as well.
Hey, guys, did you know that adding subtitles to your videos can be beneficial? Subtitles can increase accessibility, retain viewers, and improve engagement and views. I use FlexClip to add subtitles to my YouTube shorts. You can check the link in this video to learn how to add subtitles to your videos.